Hi, I'm Dahlia.
And I am Enrique.
And we are Dahlia's Dishes and Destinations.
We have been married 35 years. 35 years, we've had 4 RVs. We have traveled different places. My wife has become a great cook, and she now cooks different nationality foods.
Hi, I'm in Lakeland today, and we are here to just give you a little bit of the story before YouTube. We've been married for over 35 years. We have 3 children and 3 grandchildren. We started RVing over 25 years ago. We loved RVing, we loved camping with our kids and our friends and family. I loved cooking for all our friends and family. And through the years, we've cooked for many parties, many friends, gatherings, church events, after school events, and even marching band events. And through those years, with all the cooking, I've always loved teaching others to cook. Cook easy meals that they can cook at home in their RV. You can cook it on the beach or in a boat. It doesn't have to be hard. All of it's not hard. We have to try to make things easier so that our young generations aren't discouraged. I love gardening. That's another one of my hobbies. I love making my grandkids their first baby foods. But I also make our dog food, homemade from home, just with regular people food. Everything's organic, everything's homemade. And we just started that over a year ago. We did do it in the past with older dogs that we had. And we cook all our meals on the road, but we go to different restaurants as well. I don't want people to be discouraged and think that they can't ever go out to restaurants. I just want to have a balance, and I want kids to know that hamburgers and chicken nuggets can be made homemade. Yes, chicken nuggets can be homemade, all different flavors, different kinds, and you can make them right in your RV. I make all kinds of foods for friends and family, and that's what I truly love to do, is just feed everyone I can feed.
Because we can, man.
Hey.
Exactly. Because we can.
What we do. That was goodness gracious. That smells
Right here. Gotta show them ways. Pepper steak and some short ribs. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yes. It's about
What I do my Diet Coke?
for you collard green newbies.
Yes.
Make sure you take some air freshener to bed with you.
Oh, really? Definitely keep you.
You're taking doggy bags.
Yes.
A doggy bag.
Oh boy.
I love cooking and teaching.
Make sure that I'm doing a good job. Now what I do is I flip them over, right? So then you really get it good,
good
Enrique.
press.
See?
Perfect.
This is what you do.
That's
You want to
right.
make sure to have a nice seal in there.
There you go.
This is Cuban style.
That's the way I do it like that sometimes. I don't always.
Look how pretty that
That is
is.
beautiful.
There you go. And that's what this YouTube channel was set out to do from the beginning.
I am the driver, and I help her cook outside, and we make meals that you can eat so that you don't have to go outside and eat hot dogs and hamburgers every day. We make homemade meals from our RV. We make Cuban style, different nationalities, Cuban, French. We make Italian. We make all different meals. I am Cuban, born in Cuba. My wife is Cuban descended, and we will be cooking different nationality foods. So you're gonna get a lot of authentic Cuban food. I'm gonna show you how to make Cuban coffee. I'm gonna show you how to make empanadas. I'm gonna show you how to make a lot of different foods like ropa vieja. Of course, I'm not the one that's gonna be showing you. It's gonna be my wife that's gonna be showing you. But I'm gonna be helping her out, and I'm gonna be probably recording it. And it'll all be homemade from scratch food. No hot dogs, no hamburgers you will see on our destination.
I want to do this in our RV, but you are going to be taught by me to just cook it anywhere, in your home, your condo, apartment, at a campground. We're going to cook all types of foods together. We want to show you the different places that I will get to go and buy these groceries, farms, grocery stores, farmers markets. I would love to show you, or just mom and pop grocery stores, not your regular chain grocery stores. But it's going to be easy and easier to prepare even at home and take those with you on the road. You can pre-prep your meals, put them in the freezers, and take them with you on your trips. My inspiration came from 2 YouTubers. And one cooked and one traveled. And that's why I wanted to put them both together as one, so we could continue traveling in our RV, but later if we want to travel, anywhere else across the country or to another country, we can always do it and still learn and teach others to cook easy, simple, delicious meals right from home. I know I've hogged up the camera, so now I'm gonna let my husband give you a few words as well.
If you follow us on our YouTube adventures, you will learn and see how my wife makes different foods from different nationalities. We are Cubans. I was born in Cuba. She was born in Tampa, but she is of Cuban descent. So we will be cooking Cuban food, but we'll also be cooking Italian food. We'll also be cooking some French food. We'll be cooking all kind of food because my wife has learned and has perfected pretty much how to cook almost anything. So
But I'm still learning.
But you're still learning because everybody's always learning and we never stop learning. But
That's
if you
right.
follow our channel, you will see and you will enjoy some of the meals that we make while we're out. You will see our destinations, when we're in the Keys, when we're up north, no matter where we're at, you will enjoy it. And always remember, no matter where you're at,
It's all about the food. With Dolly.
That's right.
So please, if you like our channel,
hit and subscribe. And remember, it's always about the food.
we still messed that part up.
Well, you did. I'm Enrique.
With dishes
are-
and destinations.
Now,
Hi, this is Dahlia with.
And this is it. She already messed up.
What I want you to do is, when you announce your name, do not look over Enrique.
Okay, still keep
Always
looking at
get
that.
the-
Yeah, don't do that. Like those YouTubers that are constantly like this.
Listen,
Oh, God,
the minute
it drives me
You hate that. You hate that.
Yes, that's wrong.
So Enrique,
You're
let her
supposed.
talk.
But I can't. She won't do it right.
Okay, so let me mess up.
All right, go ahead.
Are you perfect?
No.
He's perfect.
No, it's not that. This is stressful for me. Go
Okay.
ahead.
It's not.
Go ahead,
It's
go ahead.
supposed to be fun.
Go ahead. Being a cop and chasing a murderer is not stressful. This is stressful.
Don't act like you're
ahead.
looking at the camera.
So we got all these coaches out here.
So,
We got Blue Ox on the run out here.
Go ahead.
Of course, I tried.
You started it, okay?
okay,
This is so funny.
get ready.
I had to record this.
Go ahead. Hit it
I'm
again.
the cameraman working behind the scenes.
Okay, do
Hit it again.
now. Hit start. Hit it.
wait a minute. Take 17.
Yeah, take 25.
All right.
Hi, I'm Dahlia.
And I'm Enrique.
We are Dahlia's Dishes and Destinations. Woo!
There you go.
Hey, it only took me 5 times.
If you enjoy cooking and eating, smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Let's cook together.